I have in front of me an 8-channel NVR with 4 2-megapixel bullet IP cameras and an option of a 1 terabyte hard drive. It's available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. This is a fantastic kit and it's at an unbelievable price. It's a lower price from us than if you bought it directly from the factory in China, and that's because we're after buying 100,000 euros worth of CCTV equipment in a clearance sale, and we got it at about a 70% discount. So the brand behind it is Nightwatcher. You can see it here. So they were very good, made good quality stuff. All the cameras are metal housing, really good picture quality on. You can see the picture resolution, everything directly in front of us here. The reason that they're just getting out of the CCTV game because it's dominated now by about 2 or 3 really big players, and unless you're selling 100 million euros worth of CCTV equipment in the Irish and UK market a year, you're at nothing, okay? So we knew it was great stuff. We knew it was IP66, so it's rated for indoor-outdoor use, and we know that there's an app, the NPView app, where you can just scan and it comes up automatically, and we have a video to accompany this one that shows you how to have that up and running. So once you install this, from that point to having it up and running on your smartphone, probably 2 to 3 minutes. You don't need a static IP address, there's no port forwarding, there's no anything. It's all P2P stuff, incredibly easy. So what do you get? You get 4 bullet cameras, you get 4 20-meter lengths of Cat 6 or Cat 5 here, which you'll use for running back directly to the NVR. You have an option of the hard drive and also an option of adding on a 2 extra cameras, but of course it'll support up to 6. You can add those quite easily afterwards if you need. We have a Cat 5 cable here, or a HDMI lead here. We have a network cable. There's some little templates here and plugs which we'll use for actually mounting the cameras onto a wall. And then it comes down to the main event, which is the NVR itself. And on the back of the NVR, what we have first of all with the NVR is we have the power unit that goes with it, and the output in this is 18 volts and 48 volts and 3 amps output on it. And the reason that that's so relevant to us is that it's able to power not just the cameras here, but or the DVR, but it's powering the PoE section for the cameras itself. So if we look at the cameras and how this one here, the one that we have attached to this, we'll see there's 2 inputs on it. There's a Cat 5 Ethernet connection, and then also we have a power thing here. But because it's PoE, it's actually being powered directly from the NVR itself. So that saves incredible hassle for us. And then if we come along and we look at the actual back of the unit, we have a total of 8 ports on it. So we connect there. When we go to connect it here, I've disconnected to an ordinary TV here with a HDMI lead, but there's also a VGA connection if you want to connect it to a monitor. And then we have just a mouse connection which comes with it as well. You can see the little mouse here. So it's a full kit. Everything you need is in that kit. So we have a limited number of these kits. Well, we probably bought in about 100 of these. We bought in about 7 or 8 different types of kits. Probably got larger quantities than everything else. But these are the ones probably that are most applicable to our customer base, simply because they're very scalable. 8 channels means it's applicable for both domestic, commercial, all the rest of it. And the price point that it's at, you're probably looking at about a third to a quarter of the price of the main competitors for 2 megapixel picture quality resolution. Like, you can get camera systems here, and I'm speaking in April of 2019, all the way up to 3, 4, 5, even there's some 8 megapixel kits out there, but the vast majority of kits that are out there are still 2 megapixel. So it's very comparable in terms of the what the general spec in the market is here. And 2 megapixel is the same picture quality as a high definition TV channel. So something like high definition on your Skybox. And you can just see it here, that the picture quality here is absolutely fantastic. You can see the quality in terms of, you can pick up nearly the fingerprints directly off my hand here when focusing in on it. So really happy with this kit, strongly recommend it here, and you will never get a special offer like this as good again, simply because I don't think I'm ever going to come across somebody with 100,000 euros worth of CCTV stock that are willing to sell so cheaply.